How to lock screen while watching YouTube videos on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can lock screen while watching YouTube videos on Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up YouTube application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After that, you have to open up any YouTube video. Once you have opened it up, tap on it and then tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. After you tap on the settings icon, a menu box will pop up in your interface. From there, you will find an option that says lock screen. Tap on it. After you do that, you will have the full screen, and now the screen is locked. Now, after a while, if you try to unlock it, then you have to tap on this button that says tap to unlock, and now it is unlocked and you can go back. So that's how you can simply lock screen while watching YouTube videos on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.